Cuffs are an important accessory as they help break up the arm, adding a unique aesthetic that looks both rugged and stylish. In addition to their looks, the cuff also adds a layer of protection between the crown of a watch and your wrist. This is truly a game changer for watch lovers. At Craft & Lore, we offer a couple different cuff options. We make both a single wrap and a double wrap style. Both options come in a craft leather, which is slim and refined, and a mountain belt leather, which is a bit more rugged and bulky. For those inclined to a more minimalistic aesthetic, we suggest our single wrap cuff. The single wrap cuff can be paired with other accessories and looks clean and professional. Our double wrap cuff is a more unique aesthetic and is especially great when paired with watches. Our craft cuff comes in natural, brown, and black. The natural cuff will transform significantly over time as it patinas, while the other cuffs will experience some darkening around wear points, as well as softening and shaping to your arm over time. Our mountain belt cuffs, available in dark brown and russet, will do the same, but will take a bit more time to soften as the leather is packed full of wax, making the break-in time longer. We hope this video has been informative and has aided you in making a decision on which cuff is right for you. Thanks for watching.